Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of a PNG image in Figma. Unlike vector shapes, PNGs are raster images, which means they don't have a fill property you can adjust directly. But with masks, blend modes, or plugins, you can recolor them efficiently. The most common approach is using a mask. Start by importing your PNG, ideally with a transparent background. Then, draw a rectangle over the PNG that exactly covers the area you want to recolor. Choose the color you want in the Fill panel. Select both the rectangle and the PNG, right-click and choose Use as Mask, or press Ctrl+Alt+M on Windows or Command+Option+M on Mac. The rectangle will take the shape of your PNG, and you can change its color anytime without affecting the original image. This method is perfect for icons or logos that need different color variations. Another option is blend modes, which are faster for applying a tint. Place a colored rectangle on top of your PNG. Then, in the right-hand layer panel, change the default pass-through mode to something like multiply, darken, or color, depending on the effect you want. Multiply will darken the image, while color applies the tint without heavily altering brightness. This is ideal when you want a quick visual change without creating extra layers or masks. Finally, for frequent recoloring, you can use plugins from the Figma community. Plugins like Image Colorizer let you recolor icons or PNGs in one click, and Color Overlay applies a colored layer directly on top of the selected PNG. These tools save time and are great if you're handling multiple assets or variations. With these techniques, masks, blend modes, or plugins, you can efficiently recolor PNG images in Figma while maintaining flexibility and visual quality.